That one from France. We are on the way to the Pearl Island, Qatar. Beautiful. Let's go, mother. We are here now in the Pearl Island, Qatar. Beautiful, huh? We will look for the restaurant, Khalid. Tami, but then we will walk there. It's beautiful here. You want to play here? I think it's still closed. Good day! Nandito tayo ngayon sa The Pearl, Qatar. Maghahanap muna kami na makakainan nila mother. Khalid, let's go! We will look for the restaurant. Oh, sister, look now. Saan tayo kakain? Maraming restaurant dito, iba't ibang restaurant. Ang ganda ng The Pearl, Qatar. Super ganda. Sa lahat ng island, maraming building dito, no? No, mother. Khalid. Brother, wala ka pa nakitang restaurant. Gutom na tayo. Now you will decide what we will eat. Ha, baby? You decide now what we'll eat. It's your turn. You are the mudir. You are the boss. Tamim, what we will eat, baby? We will follow you, baby. See, it's nice here. Beautiful here. Irritated na naman si Tamim. Thank you, Khalid. Hold, grandma. She's old lady. You help her. Sweet, sweet naman. Khalid. It's nice here, oh. Khalid, you like it? Robot? Khalid, you like it? Cutie boy. You like it, Tamim? You like the robot? Cutie boy naman, my baby, Tamim. Good boy. You like it? Oh, let's go na, baby. Let's go. Wala pa kami nakitang restaurant na makakainan. Naghahanap pa kami. Tamim! Where we will eat? You like your burger? Let's go. Walk over there. We will look for the restaurant. Marami kasing restaurant dito. Maraming masasarap na restaurant. Nagdi-decide pa kami saan kami kakain. Nakapag-decide na kami dito kami kakain dahil gusto nila ng karak. Ayan. Karati, lukmat, and chapati. Dito kami kakain. O, dito na tayo kakain, ha? Ngayon nag-desisyon. Dito na. Mother, she's there. Dito na. Khalid, here, ha? We will eat here. You like it here, right? Sakshuka. Karak. We'll go inside now, baby. Diyan na ay pupwesto, no? Kain na tayo. Order na tayo. Eat good, Khalid. They have scrambled egg, cheesy scrambled egg here. You like it, baby? Eat now. Chapati, sakshuka. Oh, hot, Tamim. What is this? Ah, dates chocolate cake. Nice, ah. Tamim likes sakshuka, right? You like the sakshuka, baby, ah?
Yummy. You taste that Khalid. No? Every day. Bakit?
Gustong-gusto ni Tami masakshuka nila dito, masarap. Falafel dito, mukhang masarap. Mother, kuha ka ng falafel. Falafel.
Khalid, eat na.
Ay, spoon ka no.
Spoon.
It's coming.
Spoon ka nun eh.
May pinag-friend siya.
Yeah. Chapati.
Kaya mas spoon niya ko siya pinag-friend.
Sakshuka nila, masarap dito.
Thank you.
Take it there, brother. Good boy, Tamim. Si Mother, natutunang uminom dito ng karak. Masarap yung karak nila dito sa Qatar, ha, Mother? Oh. Pwede kang gumawa sa Pinas yan, Mother. Easy lang yan. Masarap yung karak nila, no? Ayan. Naging karak ladies ang mga ito. Puro karak na lang. Masarap, no? Lalo pag umaga, malamig ngayon. O, brother, yung karak mo.
Masarap yung cake.
Yung cake nila. Anong cake yon?
Banana chocolate.
Dates cake yon. Hi, bird. May ibon dito. Namamasyal. Tamim, give him a chapati, Khalid. The bird, see? Cute bird. Ayan, lumipad na. Sa lahat ng mga island dito, maganda na.
Let me sit.
Nice, huh?
Let me sit.
Okay, baby. Nice, huh? Beautiful place here. Sorry, ah. Yes, mother.
It's cold.
Cold, baby? Oh, let's go now. Let's go, baby. We will walk more there. Beautiful island, ah. The Pearl Island, Qatar. Kasanting man, eh. Beautiful mother. Relaxing, ah. You like it, ah. Lalakarin natin lahat to, mother. May mga coffee shop dito. Iba't ibang coffee shop, restaurant. Grabe, ang ganda talaga dito. Yeah. Mother, ngayon ka lang nakakita ng island na maraming building, ha? Social na island, ha? Super ganda. Super ganda dito. Super appreciate natin. Ang ganda. Oo, nakaka-relax po dito. Ayan ang The Pearl Island. Mother, tignan yung mga ano nila, mga tree nila. Fresh, oh, see?
Something na.
Hanggang mamayang hapon tayo maglalakad dito. Super ganda. Oo, hindi ka boring dito. Grabe talaga, no? Ang ganda. Ayan, marami silang coffee shop dito. Khalid, Enjoy dito ang aking bunso. Tamim, you like it? Wow, there is water going out there. What is that, Tamim? Water. Nice, huh? Oh, let's go na, baby Tamim. Be careful. Nag-enjoy si Tamim. Gusto niya dito. Let's go, malawak pa to. Baka maghapon kami maglalakad dito. Enjoy. Let's go, baby. Ganda ng lugar, oh. Mother, oh. Highland, pero baby lang mo na baby. Pero island. Ano mother? Island ito pero may building, no? Saan ka pa? Let's go! Go na, go! Tamim!
Airplane. Airplane.
Airplane. Mga talamig, Tamim.
Oh, baby. Oh, you got to... You old auntie June. You old auntie June something.
Maghapon tayo maglalakad dito, no? Super ganda talaga dito. Ayan. Oh, si Tamim, oh. Tamim! Picture muna, ha? Enjoy kayo. Let's go now! Let's go walk now, mother! Let's go! Walking pa more! Maganda, ha? Enjoy kayo. Tamim, baby. Walking more. It's good.